1. Bosch 1617 EVSPK Plunge Router. This is without any doubt one of the top plunge routers on the market during this current year. And this is due to a variety of good reasons. The Bosch 1617 EVSPK device could be used as a plunge router, and it also has a kit that would allow you to utilize it as a fixed-base variable speed router. 2. DeWalt DW618PK Plunge Router. It is absolutely undeniable that if you had to make a plunge router comparison, you would quickly come to the conclusion that the DeWalt DW618PK is one of the best machines in this category. This is another router that combines plunge and fixed-base utilities at once in order to present you with enough utility. The motor width is of 2.25 HP and features variable speed settings that is going to allow you to properly route smoothly through some of the hardest woods. At the same time, you are capable of adjusting the speed for each routing task, which would allow you to properly execute each project with precision and is going to present you with a wider range of possibilities. The router features a 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch collets that are intended to improve the versatility as well as the bit retention. The router also comes with a depth adjustment ring, which is going to provide you with precise depth adjustments in increments of 1/64 of the inch. 3. Hitachi KM12VC Plunge Router. The Hitachi KM12VC features electronic speed control that would allow you to properly maintain constant and even rolls per minute even if the pressure applied varies. This would enable you to precisely execute the finest cuts, regardless of the material that you are routing. The motor is capable of peaking at 2.25 HP, which is significantly powerful and is going to ensure precise as well as controlled cuts. At the same time, it has a 2-stage release clamp that is going to make you quickly and accurately adjust the depths and the base. The unit is incredibly quiet in comparison to other plunge or fixed base routers, and it would produce a noise level of only 79.5 dB. This would create a quieter and calm environment, which would enable you to properly focus on the routing projects. 4. Black & Decker RP250 Plunge Router. Unlike the previous routers, this one is specifically designated to be used as a plunge router and does not offer the fixed base kit. However, it brings a lot of advantages and would allow you to properly carry out a significant amount of routing projects. This plunge router is perfect to handle decorative cutting from the center of the material that you are working with. 5. DeWalt DW625 Variable Speed Router. This is without a doubt some of the most powerful electronic plunge routers on the market. The DeWalt DW625 has a 3 HP motor running at 15 amps. Despite of the significant power capacity, the motor runs incredibly smooth, thus ensuring accurate routing. The device is capable of developing variable speeds ranging between 8,000 and 22,000 RPM in order to ensure that you are going to be provided with all the motion you need to finish your routing undertaking. The device comes with a rack and pinion depth adjuster for further precision as well as a magnified scale. There is also a microfine bit depth adjuster that is going to allow you to rapidly switch through the different depth settings. This would ultimately translate to accurate routing exercised in a timely manner. The device has base dimensions of 5 5/8 x 6 and 11/6 inches, and it weighs around 11.2 pounds, which makes it rather lightweight. 6. Porter Cable 7539 Speedmatic Plunge Router. There is a reason for which the Porter Cable 7539 is amongst the top-rated plunge routers on the market during this year. Actually, the reasons are several. Right at the bat, it has a significantly powerful 3.25 HP motor performing at 15 amp, which is capable of delivering the power as well as the durability which is required to carry out even the toughest routing undertakings.